Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be doing a Barbie inspired Halloween look. I was inspired by Sophia Tilbury. She posted a look the other day. So she did like this super fun Barbie inspired Halloween look on her Instagram, and I fell in love when she did it, and instantly I thought, wow, I have to recreate that or do like my own little take on it, and I'm in love with how it came out. Oh, and I'm gonna show you how to do this hair as well. So since I already did kind of like a scary, sort of spooky last minute Halloween costume video, I wanted to do something more girly, glamorous, cute, you know, cause get you a girl who can do both, okay?
Shut the fuck up.
Just kidding. Okay. If you guys are interested in seeing how I created this super easy Barbie Halloween inspired makeup look, then go ahead and just keep watching. So to prime, I'm just going to be taking some of the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I really like this as a primer. I feel like it locks my skincare in. It creates like a sort of barrier between my skincare and my makeup. So I'm going to be taking some of the Charlotte Tilbury corrector in the shade 3 Tan. This is like a nice orangey shade. I'm going in pretty light-handedly because it is an orange color, so it's gonna be pretty intense, so I'm only really gonna need the tiniest bit. The orange will cancel out the blue, so you wanna leave it a little unblended just so it cancels out properly. And then I like to go in with foundation after. I'm gonna be taking the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation in Valencia. I've really been liking this foundation. It's a nice full coverage matte finish. A little bit goes a long way. And then I'm just gonna blend it out with a sponge. Now we're gonna go in with concealer to brighten. So I'm gonna be taking the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Worn Beige. And this itself is pretty full coverage. To lock that powder in place, I'm taking the Milk Makeup Blur and Set Matte Loose Setting Powder. I've really been liking this one. I just got it. And the only thing I'm not too crazy about is the packaging. It's kind of like a weird netting situation, but the product itself is pretty iconic. It gives you like a really smooth finish. And there's different shades, so I got the shade medium, and I feel like that's just my perfect translucent shade, because sometimes the translucents can be a little bit too light on me, and I feel like this is just the right amount of brightness for my complexion. So next to bronze, I'm going to be taking my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer. Then I'm just gonna go pop on some brows really quick, and I'll be right back. So for the eyes, it's gonna be super simple. I love the way Sophia Tilbury did it. She just kept it very simple, very cute, very fresh. And she actually used a blush for the eyeshadow. She used Love is the Drug, which is like a nice bright pink. I really love this blush. It looks very bright at first, but it's actually a really pretty color to kind of just really softly add to your cheeks as well. But this is perfect as a pink eyeshadow as well. So I'm just gonna be taking the eyeshadow, just blending it right onto my crease. Just like a nice fuchsia sort of pink. Nothing too precise, just like sweeping it back and forth. Take like a nice fluffy blending brush. I'm using this one by NYX, which is like one of my all-time favorites. Dusting it on my lid and crease and just really winging it out for like a nice elongated look. Then taking a smudger brush, I'm gonna just run that on the bottom as well. For the eyeshadow, I'm gonna be taking the black liquid liner in Feline Flick, and I'm just gonna be doing like a nice sort of natural wing. But I'm just gonna do a quick little coat of mascara. And for lashes, I think I want to go a little bit fluffier and flirtier, so I'm going to be taking these Kiss lashes in the style So Flirty. All right, now that my lashes are on, I'm just gonna be taking some eye cheat. So this is like a nice white nude eyeliner. This is gonna be really pretty to give you a more open and doll-like effect. So I'm just gonna be adding that to my lower lash line. Like that, and you can just see like the really big difference it makes. It just looks more wide and awake, and this one is a little bit more closed. And then I'm just going to be adding some mascara to the lower lash line as well. Cute. So for blush, I'm going to be using the Love is the Drug, just the same blush that I used for my eyes, so it can all match and correlate really nicely. Just going pretty light-handed with this, but as you can see, it's just like a really beautiful bright pink. And then just to kind of add a little bit extra glow, I'm going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Pink Gasm Beauty Light Wand. This is another like really pretty bright pink liquid blush. This is kind of like a highlighter and a blush in one, so I'm just gonna add that right on top. Alright, yes, I love it so far. It's all coming together beautifully. So I'm gonna go into lips next. So for lips, I obviously want to match everything. This is kind of like a very pinky monochromatic look. So for lip liner, I'm gonna be taking Charlotte Tilbury's Super Size Me, which is a really pretty pinky sort of shade. And then for lipstick, I'm going to be taking Charlotte Tilbury's Live It Up lipstick. I love this lip color so much. It was my jam. It's just like the perfect blue-based sort of pink. It's perfect for every day, and it's going to look really beautiful with this look. Wow, this looks incredible. Okay. Just to lock the makeup in place, I'm going to go back in with the Airbrush Flawless powder. And that's it for the makeup. So now moving on to hair. My hair is already kind of straightened. This is like my second day hair. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do like a really cute sort of pony. I feel like Barbie usually had like this really pretty trendy sort of half pony hairstyle that a lot of people are doing now. Let's see, I'm just gonna section my hair. Alright, now that I finally got that, I'm just gonna section that off with a little clip like that. I'm gonna part my hair out of halfway up, kind of like that. And then I'm just gonna be taking my brush. This is like a nice smoothing brush. And then I'm just gonna take my hair tie. Take this front section. Just gonna make sure that's nice and smooth. Looking good so far. So I have like these very stubborn baby hairs that like to just pop out here. So what I'm gonna do is just take my straightener and kind of just do that little fun swish at the end of the hair. And then hold it down with some hairspray. This will just make sure that the waves just stay in place. All right, so that's it for the hair. Super easy, cute, fun. This is such an easy Halloween costume idea. I'm so glad I filmed this. Only I would film it the day before because that's when my creative juices start flowing, the day before Halloween. Like outfit wise, super easy. I just got like this really cheap dress from Forever 21. Just very Barbie. Anything pink or bright or fuchsia or fun really will go. And then as far as jewelry, I also got these from Forever 21. Anything with like pearls or just diamonds. Even a pearl necklace would look really beautiful with this. I couldn't find one, but I think it looks really cute without it. And pretty much this is the finished look with the outfit. Just a cute dress. I threw on this really cute shoulder bag, and then you can just throw on some heels and it looks so cute. And this is honestly just super glam. It's giving me major Ariana Grande vibes as well, but I love the way it came out. I'm obsessed. Alright you guys, but that pretty much sums up this super easy last minute Halloween costume Barbie makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a blast creating this look. I'm so happy with how it turned out, and this is just like a super glamorous, easy, last minute sort of idea that you can put together with literally anything you have in your closet, anything you have in your makeup collection. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I would love to see if you guys recreate it. Tag me on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, I'll leave it right here. But if any of you recreate it, I would love to see it. And again, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe before you go. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Happy Halloween.